Hi everybody, this is Chartsky back again with another weekly recap from our live trading room. I've been sent some emails and asked about the weeks January 14th to the 18th and January 21st to the 25th. Yes, we were open and yes, we were trading. On the 14th to the 18th we had a good week but saw a little bit of a slowdown on Thursday and Friday. And the 21st to the 25th, well, it wasn't such a good week. It was whippy, week shortened by the Monday holiday. But the important point is both weeks were profitable. Unfortunately, my email and internet computer just quit, but that's been fixed for now, at least I hope so. And I got a brand new grandson, and he and his mom are both doing well, and I appreciate all the emails and congratulations. So let's take a look at what we did this past week, January 28th to February 1st. We had a long week, and we've got a lot to cover. Monday the 28th. We had a crude oil market that did this. Spike, whip, spike, whip, spike. It was a continuation of what we saw the week before and really hard to trade. So we were ready with the Euro FX, which gave us two full winners, and gold, which added to those Euro winners nicely. On Tuesday the 29th, it took a while, but we finally got a good crude oil trade late in the morning. But we didn't get anything in gold except $10 closeouts. Gold was just whipping, and I don't like really holding a position for long in that market because it can really spike, and you can see for yourself on that chart how gold spikes. So when we don't get the daily profit target in the morning session, I'm back to try the afternoon session, and two crude oil scalps added to the morning trade put us over the top for that day. Now this is crude oil on Wednesday. It's just ugly by any measure. We tried to trade it but couldn't get anything but 4 or 5 break-evens, which are scratch trades. Thankfully I noticed a scalp in the Euro that we focused on starting on Wednesday morning, and those paid off nicely. These are for half of our normal profit target in the Euro, but we also just risk a few ticks. I don't believe in risking more than your profit target on any trade. And the Euro scalps continued on Thursday, but I was expecting an add-on day, so we kept trading Thursday after hitting the daily profit target, and we gave some back. We got a good crude oil trade on Thursday, but we got a couple of partial losers in there too. In fact, Thursday was so up and down I had to trade into the afternoon session and then into the 4 o'clock close before finally the S&P put us over the top for the daily profit target. There's the S&P, the big trade, and I added one more scalp in the S&P to cover all the day's commissions, and that brings us to Friday and non-farm payroll. Gold went crazy, so I wouldn't even call anything in gold. In fact, we didn't even look at gold after that first spike. You can see a $1,300 report spike, and then a $900 and a $1,500 spike in gold, and those were just before lunch. But we got a great entry in crude oil, just a couple of ticks off the high. And if anybody had a runner on that, wow. Friday was the add-on day. Now what's an add-on day? That's when we keep trading after hitting the daily profit target, because the markets are moving so well and we're in sync. It's just a really good chance to add on nicely to your weekly profits with very little risk. We even caught the E-mini S&P to the tick for one of our members who really loves that market. Unfortunately, he missed Friday, and so he missed the chance to get 4, 5, or 6 points on a single trade. Even the Euro FX was paying like a broken slot machine on just a really super add-on day for those who are in the trading room. Really, there's no way to avoid making money on Friday unless you just didn't trade. Now, here's some very important warnings from the CFTC, which I don't think really apply, but they're very important, so I urge you to pause the recording and read it. And if you want any more information or are interested in joining us in the trading room, you can go to www.chartsky.com or send me an email to the email address right there. Ask any questions, I'll be glad to answer them. Thanks for watching.